Hello, Asmi.
Yes, sir. Good evening.
Why today? What happened?
Sir, I actually got a sprain in my leg, so I couldn't come today.
Okay.
That's why I'm attending online today.
Okay. Yes, ma'am. Good evening. Yesterday I given sums. Solve, na? No, no time, huh? Today. Mm-hmm. Okay. Introduction class done, na? Introduction class, huh? Hmm. Then he changed now. Hmm. Now also. Yeah. Hmm. Where did you see that? In the question. Recording, sir. Okay, open one. So, fifth, that what are the questions I given yesterday? How many? At least two, three. Asmi,
Yes, sir.
did you try any questions that what I given?
Yeah, sir. I tried a few.
How many that you got? At least five,
First,
six.
first five, yeah, sir. Then I didn't get time, sir.
She's not well. Yes. Everyone, please join with videos.
Yeah, I'm honestly asking, who's this person behind the laptop
No, no,
asking us
no.
questions on
Sir told
notification?
actually yesterday only. They have to join with. You have to check notes and everything like that. He asked. I said okay. Join with videos, everyone. Santosh, how are you?
Fine, sir.
Santosh,
Yes, sir.
when is your exam, Santosh? Physics.
Got over, sir.
How much you got?
Sir, out of 70, I got 45.
45.
Yes, sir.
Why Santosh less, sir? Santosh,
I don't
Santosh, no? Join with videos, everyone.
Give me 5 minutes.
Now, over, no? How many times if you check also no use in that. Again, by seeing that gone, leave that. Join with videos, everyone. Otherwise, sir told,
Could you just give me 5 minutes? Just
yeah,
5
yeah, no attendance. Open means problems, everyone. What are the sums I given yesterday? Numbers? Okay, first one. 100 and mm, electrostatics, electric fields and charges. Ananya, you have how many sums you solved yesterday? What I given? You should not. You have to do. Hmm. Asmi, join with video. Santosh, how much time?
Sir, which sums are you talking about?
No, Santosh, you can't do because you was absent yesterday, right?
Yes, sir.
You can't do. I'm not asking about you. I'm asking Asmi, Prajwal.
Sir, no, did
You
you
have to
share it in
solve.
Google Classroom?
What are the sums we are giving? You have to solve. What if you don't get us an open, but you have, yes, you have to try. No need, direct. No PDFs and all, no there. Direct. Better. Even I'm just waiting to start second year, at least to give good beginning of the year. Santosh, why did you get less marks?
Sir, I don't know. I wrote whatever I knew, sir.
19th onwards, so first I will complete the 12th standard up to JE. Then I will 13. 13 only chemistry. This year, no, they won't reduce syllabus, not everything. Santosh didn't answer to my question.
Sir, I answered.
What happened?
Sir, I wrote whatever I knew, sir, and then I had the numericals only. All my marks went, sir.
So this year, what you have to do, you understand, right?
Sir, I have to solve.
You have to concentrate on numericals. Asmi, where is the video, Asmi? Prajwal, 5 minutes over. It's going to 10 minutes.
Just a minute, sir.
Question number 103. Once open the thing. Start 103. How much? Check once 103 question. Last sum? Last class? Okay. That's some only last sum. After this only I given homework. We didn't do anything. That is only last sum. I given formula, no? See, Doppler effect, did you understand? Uh, 105th question.
Sir, when are you starting 12th standard portion? Sir,
Santosh, tell me.
when are you starting 12th portion, sir?
12th, 19th, mostly.
Of March. Okay, sir.
Tell me, ma. Now tell me. Okay, so car is making sound, right? Car velocity have they given? So frequency 480 hertz. Okay. 20 meter per second. What is that? Okay, wait. So velocity of source is 20 meter per second. Car. Sound always sound velocity is 314 meter per second in air. Okay, car velocity only you have to take, not sound velocity. Horn frequency is okay. Okay, and means observer also 20 meter per second. Yeah, same. Now wait. Now freq huh? 330 plus or minus. Car is moving towards the wall, right? So he will get back that sound very quickly. Increases, right? He's going. Observer in the car itself. It's coming back. So if he reach early, he can listen more frequency, right? 330 minus, you'll get answer. See, no, actually, car feel like one of the person wall making sound, it is striking the wall and it is coming back. So he is going towards the sound. He is going towards the sound. Sound is coming towards him. So frequency increases. Same. And where is the observer? In the car. What's his velocity? 20. Car velocity 20. So source on, yeah, source velocity only 20. Car velocity. Observer 20. Read the question again carefully and do that. Don't do what I explained. Okay, once again, read that question. See that where is the observer? Check once where is the observer carefully, because that type of question they can ask. Question number 105. 103 also we will do. No, that you have to do in front of me now. Now you have to do after this. Just what I'm asking, do what you didn't understand. Ask that step. Just you try first. Anavadya also got less marks, I think. How much she got? Why very less, Anavadya? Why did you get less marks? Hello, Anavadya. Prajwal, you didn't join with video still. Asmi, did you try 105?
Yes, sir.
Did you try 105 question? Question number 105.
So 1 second, sir. Let me check.
First 5 questions means it will be there in that, right? 103 I given, 105 I given.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What
Yes,
is the
sir.
answer that you got?
Sir, I tried all the questions, but I didn't like get proper answers for them. So I
Tell
was
me.
waiting for you to solve.
Tell me what is the answer? Did you do like this 105 question?
Yeah, sir. Yes,
Then
sir.
you will get the answers. Check once. How much you got?
Yeah, sir. I solved it halfway and I did solve. 1 second, sir.
Ananya, how much you got? You are not getting exact value. How much you are getting? Tell me. 528. Is there any option? 105. 540 it seems. Check once. 541. So check once. Answer, is there anything? See, Asmi, if you calculate, you should get to 542. Prajwal, did you get this?
Sir, I got 499.
499.
I think I did a mistake somewhere.
Yes,
Sir.
yes. Why?
So some calculation because I divided it by myself. So
Okay, okay, okay. Then calculation, small calculation mistake only. Nearly you will get like 541.9, like that you will get. So 542.
yeah, so I got it like 541.89.
No problem. 8 or more than 5, we can add one number and we
Yeah,
can
sir.
give.
Yes.
480 into 35 by 31. By
So what's the answer?
542. 541.9.
I'm get,
542.
I don't know how I'm getting 537.6.
No, calculation mistake. Just it's calculation mistake. First you have to do 35 into 480.
I did that. No, I did 480. Wait, is that 480 or what?
Yeah, 480.
Yeah, I did like I divided 350 by 310 and all that stuff.
Yeah. Why zeros will get cancelled? 35 into 480.
No, I did 35 by 31 and then I got something like 1.12 approximately.
Okay. Into.
Yeah.
542 correct one. 0.9. Check once. In hand, right? In do with yeah. Leave 542 leave. Because options check once. Options will be very near to that. 540. Hand. He did by hand. It will happen. No problem. But again, she didn't get her what? Oh, doing by hand. Hand, huh? Yeah. Next question. 110. Mm. I give these all questions I given own only. Right. It is easy only. That's why I didn't do. It's direct formula only, but mm. Okay. Uh. And mostly try to call him. Try to do with hand only first. Why? Because I understood. Yeah. Correct only. Mostly, try to do with hand. Check once. 510. Sorry, 110. Question number one. Check once. 103. 103. Read once the question. You will get to know what they have given. Everything that you will get to know. Once read carefully. Prajwal again is isn't on the video on Anavadya. Anirudh, you too. Anirudh, join with video. What happened? Got a? Huh? Then fine. 110. Anyway, is it there a PDF with you? Okay, fine, fine.
So could you still read out the questions? I'm not using the PDF right now. So this while you're doing it, just write the numbers, like the basic.
Yes,
yeah.
yes. Right numbers. Numbers are right. 110.
Could you repeat which PDF?
110. Can you read the question?
No, sir, I'm asking you. I don't have the PDF with me like right now. I don't have access to my phone right
Yes,
now.
yes. 110. See that, Prajwal, question. No, no. He has no PDF, it seems.
Sir, which PDF?
Yeah,
are
ratios you
we
have to find out.
supposed to
Two
do?
apparent frequencies, 2 times you have to use the formula.
Sir, which PDF?
Original
sir?
frequency, if they give, apparent frequency ratios, we have to calculate. Wait.
Sir.
Sound of frequency.
Sir, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Santosh, I can hear
Sir,
you.
which PDF?
Waves.
Okay, sir. The recent one, right?
Santosh. Sorry, Prajwal. They have given frequency f equal to
Okay.
5 kilohertz. Okay. And a passenger is sitting in the moving train A. Moving train A. Train A. Okay, passenger is in this train. So he observed that frequency equal to 5.5 kilohertz. While train approaches wherever the sound is making, it is the source. It is making sound. Now, train A it is. So train A, the person who is sitting in the train A, he observed this much frequency. And different train. He recorded the frequency. While approaching the siren, okay. When he is coming very close to the source, he observed this much of frequency. Again, he is returning back in the one more train, that is B. During his returning journey, different train B, he recorded frequency while approaching the, okay. One more also, he is coming. Then he observed one more frequency, that is 6 kilohertz. The ratio of the velocity of train A, train B, that of to train A. Ratio of velocities they're asking. So F equal to, F dash equal to F into, so source is at a rest. So V by minus.
So after waves, which chapter will we be doing?
What is that?
After waves, after this chapter, what will we be doing next?
Mostly we are going to do second year. I'm going to start second year.
Okay, this is the last year. Waves is the last for first year.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Plus,
It's gonna take one more week.
yeah, we know to take because source observer is source is at rest, so it will become 0. So 5.5 equal to 5 into V plus V naught by 5. So V plus V naught by V. It is the observer, those who are in the train A. Got ma? Ananya, did you get ma? Velocities ratio. One more is 6. 6 equal to 5 into V plus V naught B by V. So how much you are going to get? V naught B by V. We take it common and cancel out. So 5 into comma 1 plus hmm? What you are getting? V B by V. No, no, not that ratio. V naught by V. So take it out and cancel out. Then 5 into 5. 5 plus 5 V naught B by V equal to 6. So you will get V naught B by V equal to 5 minus, so sorry, 6 minus 5. So V naught B by V equal to, you will get 1 by 5. Yeah, 6 is 1 5.5. 1 is 6. So when I took 5.5, I got this much. Now ratio they are asking. You'll get 1 by 2. V naught A by V by V naught B by V. Cancel out. So you will get like 1 by 10 by 1 by 5. So it is 2 is, it's correct only. 5 Asmi, sorry, Risha, 5,000. Oh, kilo hedges. Why you converted? All are kilo thousand, kilo hedges. Everything they given kilo hedges only, no? 5.5 kilo hedge. No need. That much no need. We should get the same thing actually. Here. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Now take common. We take common. Cancel out. You take V common? No. Take V common. Take V common and cancel out. You will get 1 plus VA by 1 minus VB. Like VA by, give me that. Even though you should get the same thing. Cancel out. 1 plus VA by 1 minus VB by V. 11 by 12 into 1 minus VB by V, 1 plus VA by V. Don't change. Changing, mostly we are doing mistake by changing only. We should not change. Yes, ratios. Same answer should come. It is 0. It is 0. Yeah, it is 0. It is 0. So made is a 0. Mm. Some more calculation. 11 by 12 minus 11 by 12 VB by V equal to 1 plus VA by V. Send it 1 minus 11 by 12. No, so 11 by 12 minus 11 by 12. Just a second. Get 11 by 12. Mm, No, we don't get if you do like this, we are not getting ratio. We should get the answer, but we have to follow in the procedure only. It's procedure only, but 11 by 12. No, you should get actually. V plus V naught by V by V plus V 11 by 12 equal to V plus VA by V plus VB. Asmi, sorry, Risha. If you do this, if you if you cancel out like this, so V plus VA by V minus VB you will get, right? Then we want only VA and VB ratio only, no? So how will you get that ratio now? Again, if you take common, 1 plus VA by VU to common by 1 minus VB by V common cancel out equal to 11 by 11 by 12, but but how will you send separately? Separately we can't send, no? 1 by 5. So we got ratio 2 is to 1. We won't get the 2 is to 1 for this. Even separately you can't take, like VA by VB take like that, you won't get. The ratio always is, when you are calculating VA by VB, plus something should not be there. Because if it is there, we can't take this one out. We can't send this one out. Ratio you won't get. Won't get the ratio now. Now if you send this number again, some plus will be there. So ratio you won't get. We want ratio. Check once then. How did you get? Huh? 1 by? I think you did VB by VA. VA. Oh, we got. So VA by VB is 1 by 10 by 1 by 5. So 1 by 2? 1 by 2 it is. VB by VA then. Yes, 2. Yes. Got the answer that question, ma? Next, one more question. 11. Solving still? You- How much you got? 111? Correct only. Do 111, ma. Trying 111, huh? Ananya? Hmm? So answer you should get 1 by 2 for the 110. So VA by VB you will get 1 by 2. So VB by VA you will get 2. Again, Prajwal didn't join with video. Santosh didn't join with video. I don't
I'm
know
here,
they are
sir.
doing or
I'm
not
here. I'm
really.
here. I'm here.
You are there, but are you doing?
Sir, I'm doing, sir. I'm just
How
like,
how can I know?
I'll answer, sir. I'll answer next
No, no,
question.
answer not. I can see right.
Okay, just a moment.
Hmm. I think they have exams, no? Still is going. 19th last exam for them. 19th, 18th last exam, I think. 19th I will start. And coming time, what they said in the school, that notes also you have to bring. Because just to check how much that you are able to get that concept. I want to check. Everything I should check. No, this year, like not last year. Enough. Shock is shock forever. Mm. Tell me. Read the question. Stationary. Observer is stationary. Mm. Mm. Yes, 34. Apparent frequency. Mm. Yes, here also ratio. Apparent frequency. Yes, original frequency will be same. Apparent frequency ratio you have to calculate. Hundred and 13th question. Huh? You can't use. What is the question, read? Beats kada? No need. You can't. 113 you can't use. That is beats. Okay, we will solve the even beats also. That's the last concept. Beats and some of the formulas are there. 5 more formulas are there. Enough. 116 solve. Yeah. Bhargav, which question you are solving, Bhargav? Santosh, where is the PDF? Don't you have PDF, Santosh?
Sir, I'm doing in that only.
Okay, Santosh. Because yesterday he was not there, so you can't.
Yes, sir.
Just see the questions, okay? Just see the answers.
I got the
Okay.
PDF now, so I
Yes,
can move on like ahead of you. Like just do
yes. You want to join with video, no?
I
Carry
am
on.
joining, so I don't know why I keep switching it off. Yeah, so I can move on. No? Next question. Now.
Okay. How much you got answer? 113 you can't do. Do 116. What is the 115? 116 do that. At least you are able to solve problems, right? Mostly nearly 40-50 sums is not ordinary. It's fine. Very fine. Because whatever formulas we are using, that is only the formulas for any exam, that is. Try 116. Question number 116.
Okay, sir.
When a observer is moving towards the stationary source with a certain velocity. When observer is moving towards the stationary source. So source velocity is 0. Source nothing but 0. Hence observer frequency. He observed the apparent frequency f dash equal to f. When it moves away from the source with same velocity, okay, he observed the apparent frequency. So one more apparent frequency is 0.8 f. if the velocity of the sound, so velocity of the sound, velocity of the sound is v.
So could you do this one? I'm not understanding how to do it.
See what they have given, velocity of source is 0. Okay,
Yeah.
so
Wait,
formula you know.
no. Where is the given zero?
Stationary,
Okay,
stationary means
okay, it's a stay. Oh my god,
hmm, stationary means 0, you know. So 0
yeah.
you will substitute. After that time frequency is f dash equal to, like yeah, f dash equal to f frequency formula. Then when he's going back, when he's going away means minus. Then take out the, we want what is the ratio, velocity we want.
V0 is initial, no?
uh, v0 is a observer.
Yeah,
Those
initial absorption.
yes, yes. Question number Ananya, 116. Okay, 117. Read that one's question. What happened? One second, read loudly. Mm. Mm. Towards the observer. This is what, no, wall row, right? Observer is here, right? Sound, velocity of source, velocity of source. So now what he can hear? Options. What he can
What's
hear?
the final answer from 116?
Wall is here. No, this one. One is from the source only. Yes. No, reflects not. It's not reflect. One more sound, it is coming from here. Again, it reflects back. You are feeling. Hmm. 17. A source of sound of frequency 256 moving with velocity towards the wall. Okay. When the observer is between source and wall. Okay. Finds frequency of received two waves received directly from the source X, and the frequency of waves received after reflecting from the wall. Same. Both are same. It is coming. Whatever is reaching, when it is reaching, how much frequency that you can hear. Once if it is touches the wall, when it is coming back also, it will come with the same frequency. Won't change, frequency won't change. Frequency won't change. Yes. Speed also reflection of reflection, loss of reflection. Even light also speed won't changes. Only refraction time only changes. Apparent frequency when it is going away or when it is coming towards it. Never. Apparent frequency win. Apparent weight can be less or more, but original weight. Answer is what? It won't, because if it is coming towards him, it will increase. Again, after reflection, if it is comes also, it will increase only. Frequency of sound never changes with the medium also. There's the characteristics of sound. Frequency of sound does not change. Okay, suppose sound speed can change. Okay, sound intensity can change, but frequency won't change. Yes. Eighteen only, no? Practically, where speed of sound is maximum in solids. Particles are very close to each other. One particle, if you touch, immediately energy reaches to one more particle. A source of sound of frequency placed inside the water. Okay. The frequency recorded by the observer. Question number 118. A source of sound of frequency is placed inside the water. The speed of sound is okay, and air. The frequency of sound recorded by same. Frequency won't change because of the medium. V will be different. V is different in water. V is different in, but whatever he is observing the frequency, it will be same. So you know to same answer. Answer is yes. It won't change. Frequency won't changes. What the thing it is making, it will be. Yes, both are at rest only. Yes. Simply not to confuse. Not simply. No. Yeah, previously when we was in our class like that, it used to happen. Everything what they are giving that we have to use. Now so many questions you will find that everything that we can't use. Question number 124 next 122. Hmm. Yeah, you can. It's beat. Read that. uh, Frequencies they given. Closed pipes. Closed pipes you can do 10 beats per means frequency. Change in frequency is nothing but beat, like f1 minus f2 equal to beat. The change in frequency is called beat. 10 times per 10 beats per second. So frequency equal to 10. Take frequency equal to 10. Which one? Beats I have to do. I am telling no beats and till six formulas are there. 6 formulas done. Beats will you do? 124 do that you can do. You can do 123 else. Oh no, beats don't touch. 124. Check once 124. Beats and 4 formulas are there. 4 or 5. So on that again problems are there. Done. That is only last and final topic. Move to the next class. I will explain the topic. I will give what are the formula we written. On that only I will give for problems. Done. So now how many formulas do you used? Write in one paper. What formulas you are using mainly to solve the sum? Because whenever you're just if you see that you will get idea. Okay, from waves lesson mostly we did so many sums on that formula is enough. Okay. Relative velocity concept we will learn. Relative velocity is easy. Relative velocity is not, do you have idea? Hmm. Source is stationary. Yeah, source is stationary. Hmm. Hmm. Wavelength is lambda. So tell me the frequency. We know that velocity equal to lambda by t. So v equal to lambda f. So lambda is inversely proportional to frequency. Relation is there, no, between them. Lambda given frequency. V the given, relative velocity. Relative velocity 120. The wavelength. So lambda 1 equal to 120 when source is stationary. If the source is moving with relative velocity, so velocity of source 60 meter per second towards the observer. Velocity is moving towards the observer. Source is at rest. When the source is at rest, this is what the thing they have given. When source is moving towards the observer, then lambda 2 equal to how much? So first one is observer at rest. Observer is rest only. Source also same. Relative velocity same. Velocity of both having same. Relative velocity. What is the speed of him with respect to him? Same. Source is stationary. If source is moving also, relative velocity will be same for the both. Relative velocity of observer they given now. Velocity of source is moving, right? With respect to observer, right? Suppose velocity of source is 10 meter per second. With respect, first case is observer at rest. When the observer is at rest, lambda 1 they have given. We know to touch. If source is at rest, okay, source is at rest. No. You solved already? Solve that now. One. Apparent frequency formula, right? Apparent frequency formula, right? Mm. V naught and Vs having same velocity now. If it is moving towards him, for him it looks like he's also moving. Both are at rest. First case. Right, apparent frequency. What is the formula apparent frequency? F equal to F into. So what is source is at observer is at rest 0. So V by. So frequency equal to F into V towards the object, right? 0. So 0 by V minus. Source is at rest, huh? 0. So equal to F. F is nothing but. No. Wait. So in the first case they have given. So that time lambda they have given. Lambda we know to say the second one. Second source is moving, right? Observer is at rest, right? So V by V minus. What is the relation between frequency and wavelength? 1 by F, right? So lambda dash equal to lambda into V minus Vs by V. Reverse of it. Yeah, frequency inversely proportional, no? That's the frequency. Now substitute the values. Velocity of source 10 meter per second. How much? Velocity of source 60. Lambda they given 120. V 60. Sorry, 340. 60. 340. Lambda dash. So these are the formulas based on the Doppler's effect. It will be like this. Most of the sums. Okay. Got Rish. Risha, did you get? No. See that what is the answer is there? No. So 340. Yeah, mostly 330 given. So lambda dash equal to 120 into 270 by 330. Do this. Yeah. So here one more that you can remember, lambda and frequency relation is 1 by inversely proportional. 26, 24, 26 also you can do. Lambda. So velocity meter per second only. It is also meter per second. Frequency, hertz. Hertz. It's different. Lambda, how much they given? No, these all are no need. No need. Yes. Doing with hand, right? It's better because even calculation power also will increase. It is 124. Next 125. Read that. 125. What is the 125 question? Source emits. Okay. Each, ratio of frequency. Options, same. One is to one. Mostly because both are moving same, no? Same velocity and the same distance they will travel. Apparent frequency alpha same, so everything is same. Both same. Check once the answer. Answer check. What might we? Okay, okay. It's same. It seems. 126. Mobile, no. Data is. Waiting to start second year. Waiting to start. So much.
How harder is second year?
Prajwal,
How much harder is second year?
you will see Prajwal in front of
I
there
don't.
is a nice crocodile festival. Second
So what?
year is like some of the lessons are very very big. So first, if you take even light optics, very huge lesson optics. So optics and AC currents, you will feel very very like uncomfortable. Mostly wave optics, ray optics, and mm, no, it's if you don't concentrate properly, gone. First time when I am see when I am teaching, if you understand, that is only understanding. After okay, we will see video or something. No, gone. Case gone. It's impossible to even revise back. I'm serious. 5 mark questions, everything same level, one range. So concentration is very important. When you are coming only, you should not come with dull face. Yeah, I'm going to learn something today. With that thing, if you come, it will become easy. Otherwise, very difficult. Even we don't discuss only for boards also. So much. 126. What is the question, ma? Read once. Uh, source, stationary observer. Mm. Yeah, he's V naught is 0. Uh, um, Apparent frequency f mm, f dash is 3 times of f. V equal to velocity of sound, no? V equal to V meter per second. So speed of source equal to how much? Okay, formula is same only, I guess. So f dash equal to f into V observer 0 V minus Vs. So 3f by f equal to V by V minus Vs. Cancel 3 equal to V, take it common and cancel out. You will get 1 by 1 minus Vs by V. No, don't do it like this. It's better. So V into V minus Vs equal to V. Three Vs equal to 3V minus V. So Vs equal to 2 by 2V by. That's the answer. 120. Do 127. It's 127. Did yeah. 127 do after that. Beats don't do. Beats don't touch now. Tomorrow we can touch only beats. What are the questions are they have given? 127. Did you do 127? You did. How much you got? It's looking like same question. 127 9 by 8 seems. 127. 128. No. Apparent frequency only they are asking. Mm. Tell me, read the question. Wait. Table is revolving. Mm. Okay. 5 revolutions per second. Mm. Frequency equal to? Mm. 70, yeah? Apparent frequency they are asking finally. V minus V minimum, no? Rotation and all. So velocity we require, no? Velocity 352. Which velocity? Speed of sound. So it is 350. But velocity of source? The velocity of minimum, huh? It will be more. Mm. So from this V is equal to R omega. R means 70 centimeters. Make it as a meters. Omega is 2 pi F. Hertz or kilo hertz? So here 70 into 2 into 3.14 into 1000. Check once. It is a centimeters, no? Give into meters. Do this. Check once. Here not 1000. Revolutions per second, no? Revolutions per second. Omega equal 2 pi by T. So 2 pi into how many revolutions? 5 revolutions per second. So 5 into even now 10 power minus 2. It is the original frequency they given. We have to use in the formula, no? So if we know the velocity of source, then we got the answer. Decimal, huh? Check one. Decimal, if it is comes, make it as a calculate 10 to the 0.7. It is 0.7 into 2 into 3.14 into 5. It's nothing but 10. 7 into 3.14, 21.14 something. So V equal to 21 take. That's what. Nine, huh? So 22. Again, y minus 2, how? Right, 70? Okay. So velocity convert into meters. Convert into meters. Yes. 2198. Huh? So write 22 it is. 22 meter per second take. Substitute. So even this type of question you have to remember how it is related means v is equal to r omega. So we can find out here omega is revolution per second, 5 into 2 pi by t per second, no, t equal to 1. Huh? One 128. Oh, you crossed even. One is okay. So what they have given, table is revolving. Okay, that radius they given 70. This is the question you will get. So from that, this is the relation v is equal to r omega. At somewhere, yes, right, at rest. 941, na? Okay, answer. 941. Now, what is the doubt? See, here we want apparent frequency. They're asking what is the apparent frequency. He is hearing the sound, that is minimum sound he is. It is minimum he is hearing, so that I made this a positive, so that it will become less. Okay, and observer is at rest, so made it 0. Okay, fine. Velocity they given, v equal to 350 they given. No problem for us. But we want velocity of source. So velocity of source means it is making sound. How much sound it is making means v is equal to r omega. R is 70 and omega is 5 revolution per second. Source. It is the source. It is making sound that they have given in this way. V is equal to r omega. In that way they have given. Yes, ma. If you read the question, they have given radius. Okay, and they're asked, he is the observer is so far, so he is hearing the sound frequency that is very less. Sound frequency less me, and he is at rest. So I use this formula vs. So to find out vs, you will get like this. So 22 meter per second you will get. V r omega, r is 70. What is that? 5 is the 5 revolution per second they given. See that 5 revolution per second. So time equal to 1 second. 70 centimeters they given. I convert into meters. 70 centimeters. So 70 into 10 to the power of minus 2. 5 revolution per second. So 5 into 2 pi into 5 into 2 pi. That's all. That is only. Then you will get velocity. Then you can substitute here. You will get the answer. And it is the relation between linear velocity and angular velocity in circular motion concept. It is rotating. It is rotating with angular frequency. So angular frequency they given, radius they given, so velocity I can calculate. Check once. It is rotating. Table is rotating with angular frequency. Angular frequency is 5 revolution per second. So omega plus 5 revolution per second. So 5 into 2f, like omega is what? 2 pi by t. 5 into 2 pi per 1 second means time equal to second. So omega plus 5 into 2 pi I written. So omega is 5 into 2 pi. And r given 70 centimeters they given, I made as a meters. Done. Clear? So even this type of questions are very important for JEE. Velocity of the source, already this velocity they given 350, frequency they given 1000. We can find out the minimum apparent frequency. Remember this formula, okay? Relation between angular velocity and the linear velocity. Rotation in circular motion also, yeah, body rotating. Okay, so questions? Yeah, question no need. Okay, pen. Yes, sir. Risha, Ananya, Bhargav, Anirudh, Asmi.
So we're done.
Prajwal, yes ma'am. Anirudh. 3, 4, 5, 6. Santosh. Okay, mostly next class only, the last class for this. Remaining formulas I will give, problems I will give homework, some problems I will do done. Okay, take test. And we'll start, if it is possible, we'll start second year also.